It doesn't take a major incident to put a facility at risk. Usually, trouble starts quietly with dusty air, greasy floors, cluttered work zones, and cleaning details missed day after day. Before long, those small problems affect safety, slow productivity, and leave the wrong impression on tenants, staff, customers, and inspectors walking through your space. That's where A2Z Building Maintenance comes in. We help industrial and commercial facilities across Ontario take control of cleanliness with professional service built for real operating environments. From warehouses and production spaces to offices and shared commercial areas, our team is equipped to turn high-demand environments into cleaner, safer, better presented facilities. On industrial floors, that means powerful scrubbing that lifts build-up, restores appearance, and helps keep high-traffic surfaces safer for the people moving through them every day. In warehouses, it means targeted degreasing where residue collects and organized cleaning routines that support smoother operations instead of interrupting them. And in fitness facilities, it means dependable sanitation support that keeps cardio machines, weights, mats, and shared equipment clean, hygienic, and ready for the next workout. When the job demands more, A2Z delivers specialized service like post-construction deep cleans, high-level dusting, and detail work that tackles the mess standard routines leave behind. The result is easy to see: cleaner surfaces, brighter presentation, fewer hazards, and spaces that feel better managed from the floor level all the way up. With A2Z, you get more than cleaning, you get consistency, clear communication, and a team that understands what professional facility care should look like across Ontario. If your facility is ready for a higher standard, book your free site walkthrough with A2Z Building Maintenance today. Behind every clean, efficient facility is a standard people notice immediately when it slips. Dust settles faster, grease spreads further, and neglected details start shaping how the whole operation feels. That current reality puts pressure on managers who need spaces that stay safe, organized, and ready without constant follow-up. A2Z responds with trained crews, the right equipment, and a practical approach built around the demands of industrial and commercial facilities. Precision matters in the work itself, whether it's floor care, dust removal overhead, post-construction cleanup, or detail cleaning that restores a professional finish. What that means for you is fewer distractions, stronger presentation, safer surfaces, and a facility that reflects the standard your business wants to project. If you're ready to see what that looks like in your own space, request your free site walkthrough with A2Z Building Maintenance today. Clean facilities support safer work, stronger operations, and a better experience for everyone who walks in. Book your free site walkthrough